Would you rather throw up every time you see a stop sign or sneeze every time you blink? Imagine driving down the road and every stop sign sends you on a projectile mission. Talk about a stop and toss situation. But on the other hand, sneezing every time you blink could turn your daily routine into a sneeze fest. You'd be walking around like, achoo, oops, I missed my train. So which would you choose? A trip to the bathroom every few blocks or a sneeze attack with every blink?